An isogloss, also called a heterogloss, is the geographic boundary of a certain linguistic feature, such as the pronunciation of a vowel, the meaning of a word, or use of some syntactic feature. Major dialects are typically demarcated by groups of isoglosses.
One example of isogloss is soft drinks. This is a type of linguistic feature between the North and the South. In the North, soft drinks are called either pop or soda, and in the South, it's called Coke. What this came from is when all the Americans who came from Europe, Britain, they basically split up two dialects between the North and the South, therefore changing words that mean the same thing. That's basically what an isogloss is. This example is also about the North and the South. Basically, when people came over from Europe, again, they split two different dialects. In the South, when you hear people say y'all, and then the North where you see people say you or you guys. Basically, this is again isogloss splitting between two dialects that came from Europe. Another example of isogloss is with the southern and midland part of the U.S. One of these words is a coarse burlap sack. In the southern, they call it either a crocker sack or a crocus sack, and in the south, or the midland, they call it a toe sack. The other word is a dragonfly. In the southern, they call it either a mosquito hawk or a skeeter hawk. In the midland, they call it either a snake doctor or a snake feeder. This again shows the relationship of the different dialects from you. Since isogloss is such an easy word to understand, basically, again, it's one word that two different parts of an area pronounce differently. I'm just gonna really just have this time just go by really quick. And that's basically because isogloss is just one word, so easy to understand, and there's really not much you can find on it other than the definition. These are my sources.